Hello to all the pharmacy, medical, paramedical, life sciences and their career aspirants. Welcome to the Clinosol YouTube learning channel. To learn more informative topics from us and for notifications on upcoming posts, please subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon. What you can learn here? You can learn about the Clinosol's live events, courses, career scope and opportunities and many innovative programs by the Clinosol Students Forum. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is scope of clinical research. As an initial note, what are clinical trials? Clinical research involves clinical trials, which refers to the research carried out on humans, whether they are healthy people or sick people. It mainly focuses on improving the knowledge of diseases and diagnostic methods and new treatments or new medical care device to ensure the better patient care. It is also defined as the systematic study of a new drug therapy or a medical intervention performed in humans to address all the possible ways to find an answer for the scientific questions and find better ways to prevent, diagnose and treat or for the improvement of the public health. What parameters will be observed through the clinical trials? We can observe the parameters which include the pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics and therapeutic effects, and finally the adverse reactions. Clinical research studies can be carried out in two phases. They are observational studies and the interventional studies. Observational studies, they improve the knowledge on the disease and its evolution over time. They are carried out within the framework of the follow-up of patients in the reference centers. They also contain the natural history studies. Coming to the interventional studies, they provide the scientific evidence of the efficacy and the safety of a new drug or a new care device or a new management in the context of illness. This is the necessary step for a new molecule to become a drug or a new medical device to be marketed. Coming to the scope of clinical research. Clinical research is a subspecialty of paramedical healthcare sciences. This is one of the booming industries with rewarding career options. This study plays a pivotal role in introducing the new drugs into the mainframe, that is pharmaceutical industry, and in enhancing the health statistics. In India, the scope of clinical research is raising its global standards to introduce the new medicines and to cure various illnesses. In short, clinical research is referred to as the complete reference for a drug, biological test or a medical device. Coming to the eligibility criteria to do the clinical research include MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, BDS, PharmD, MPharmacy, BPharmacy, MSc Life Sciences, BSc Life Sciences, MPT, BPT, BSc Paramedical, BTech Biotechnology, Genetics and Bioinformatics. Coming to the career perspectives of the clinical research. The career perspectives include clinical research associate. It can be a very exciting job that offers great opportunity to travel, work from home, to meet new people, and to play a pivotal role in the drug development process. The primary role of the clinical research associate is to monitor the clinical trials that are ongoing at the clinical trial sites. And the clinical research associate are often hired the CRA level 1, 2, 3. Coming to the clinical trial coordinator. He works under the direction of a scientist or a medical researcher. Clinical trial coordinator use media outlets, questionnaires and interviews to recruit and screen research participants. They also oversee the staff recruitment and education regarding the design, length and other details of the research study. Coming to the clinical research investigator. Clinical research investigator is involved in a clinical trial which is responsible for ensuring an investigation is conducted according to the signed investigator's statement, investigator plan, and also applicable regulations for protecting the rights, safety, and the welfare of subjects under the investigator's care and for the control of drugs under investigation. The clinical investigator must also meet the requirements set forth by the FDA, EMA, and other regulatory body. Coming to the data manager. The role of the data manager is to supervise a company's numerous data systems and networks. Their duties include organizing, storing, and analyzing the company data as professionally and effectively as possible, while also safeguarding a company's security and confidentiality standards. Coming to the biostatistician. Biostatistician is responsible for the accuracy of reports and the consistency between the summary tables in the body of a report and the corresponding statistical tables and listings. He assists in the development of alternative analysis strategies when changes to planned and analysis are required. Coming to the clinical trial auditor. Clinical trial auditor, the primary responsibility of the clinical trial auditor is to coordinate auditing activities, managing the auditing staff, and perform the routine audits at the clinical sites. The clinical trial auditor role is to perform the clinical quality assurance duties and audit trial conduct at the regular investigative sites. Coming to the patent officer. The main purpose of the patent examiner or the officer is techno-legal and involves examination of the inventions in accordance with the Patent Act and patent rules. He will understand the invention, conduct a prior art research, and examines the invention for various criteria for patentability. Coming to the medical writer. A medical writer is a person who applies the principles of clinical research in developing the clinical trial documents that effectively and clearly describe the research results, product use, and other medical information. Coming to the medical advisor. Medical advisor is a person who provides significant contribution towards the evaluation and communication of the medical, scientific information related to a company's products. Medical advisor assists clinical research teams and often help in training and supporting the sales force. Coming to the clinical research analyst. Clinical research analyst works on the medical research products designed to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the drugs, medical devices towards the understanding the biological processes in the human body. Coming to the ethics committee coordinator. Ethics committee coordinator main activity is involves in scheduling the meetings, maintenance of documents, provides documents whenever required to any regulatory or sponsor auditor. In fact, clinical research coordinator can be a member of ethics committee. However, he or she cannot vote and cannot perform any protocol related activities. Coming to the clinical unit in charge. The typical duties of the clinical unit in charge include managing the clinical, professional, administrative and the staff, managing the recruitment, development of and the appraisal of the staff, overseeing the day-to-day management and developing and implementing the policies and directives, setting and monitoring budgets and attending the meetings. Coming to the clinical pharmacist. As a clinical pharmacist, you will be responsible for ensuring the right and appropriate medication prescriptions. In addition, you will be responsible for different functions through collaborative drug therapy management and providing an outstanding patient care. Coming to the clinical research coordinator. Clinical research coordinator are responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of the clinical trial studies. They attend seminars and events to promote the studies, recruit and screen the study participants, as well as the document and report on the daily operations of the study. Coming to the clinical trial record specialist. Clinical trial record specialist creates reports and analyzes the data to comply with the regulatory reporting requirements and support improvements in the clinical effectiveness. Being a clinical trial record specialist defines and tests the new measures, validates the data, and takes steps to automate and improve the data collection processes. Coming to the Drug Safety Associate. Drug Safety Associate is responsible for assessing the safety of the pharmaceutical drugs once they are on the market. Using the standardized guidelines, they determine whether the medication causes any adverse reactions in patients and report their findings back to the pharmacovigilance department. Coming to the skills required for the clinical research, they require the excellent communication skills with both written and verbal along with the interpersonal skills, ability to build effective relationship with the trial center staff and colleagues, ability to motivate, strong customer focus and problem solving skills, excellent grasp of numeracy and keep an eye for detail. They should have the presentation skills and ability to multitask. They should have the fair understanding of all the processes involved and good knowledge on all roles, responsibilities, and terminology of the clinical research. They should be flexible and adaptable approach to work. Organizational, IT, administrative skills. The job involves a lot of documenting and recording information through computerized processes such as clinical trial management system and electronic data capture, etc. They should have to understand the importance of the good clinical practices, which is a legal requirement for all the clinical research associates, and the knowledge of the regulatory requirement and other important guidelines and country-specific regulations. Coming to the latest trends in the clinical trials. Clinical research is constantly evolving. There are always a new findings, practices and technologies transforming the way to the clinical research is conducted and managed. Here are the few trends in clinical research which show the impact in the emerging professionals. They are the professional competency, advanced technology, clinical care, data-oriented approach and the virtual trials. Coming to the companies hiring for clinical research roles. They include BioClinica, Wipro, Accenture, IQVIA, Novartis, Syneos Health, Paraxel, PPD, Icon, Cognizant, Covance, Pace, Cleantech, PRA Health Sciences, Infosys, MedPace, Axis Clinicals, Aurobindo, Aeris Global, Fisher Clinical Services, and Indigen. Trials were being conducted. This is the complete detail about the clinical research. Coming to the Clinosol. Clinosol, it is the best institute to train the life sciences field, and it is a pharma-enabled IT services with ISO 9001 to 2005 certification. What makes Clinosol the best training institute? Highly skilled, certified and dedicated faculty with over 15 plus years of experience industry in various fields of clinical research and healthcare. Updated course content with practical learning approaches makes the learning filled with fun and great experience of learning and memorizing the things with practical implementation of the subject learned during the sessions. Vast number of courses to choose from and to have a multi-domain course combination which is a tailor-made to cope up with the industry competencies. Affordable fee structure with the quality learning. Regular weekly assessments to test oneself whether they are standing at their skill levels or not. They also have the complementary courses to give the overall 360-degree completeness to a perfect job seeker's profile. Interactive online sessions to cut down the traveling time and additional expenses and gives a choice of taking classes at different timings based on the personal availability. 1-year course validation enhances the students to take multiple sessions of the same topic for absenteeism coverage and better understanding of the topics. Round-the-clock support by the faculty, counseling, provides the additional confidence building and encouragement to participate in different events. Design gives calculated readiness for the interviews. Strict implementation of learning strategies via verbal, written, and expressive means through article, blog, magazine columns, presentations, and designing various quiz and brain teasers, etc. makes the learning process so enjoyable as well as brings out the fear and lack of confidence. Writing your ideas, blogs, and columns really easy with the guidance of the Clinosol's faculty and can be posted absolutely free on Clinosol's students' own name in the Clinosol quarterly magazine, which is CS Chronicle, and the blogs will be published in the Clinosol Blogspot. Clinosol's dedicated job groups provides all the updated career information along with the internship opportunities to gain the real-world working exposure during in-house training. It is the best way to understand and deal wisely with the upcoming work challenges. Every live event of Clinosol will provide an opportunity to interact with the industry experts from across the world in pharma, IT, healthcare, and learn from their experience and expertise advice on how to build a career. Coming to the courses offered by the Clinosol. Clinosol offers clinical research, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, SAS, regulatory affairs, medical writing, eTMF, artificial intelligence. Coming to the complementary courses, it also offers the complementary courses which include communication skills, aptitude, Excel, pharmacology, and CV writing. Thank you so much for your attention. Please write your genuine queries in the comment section and send us. Our team will get back to you soon.